Insomnia grips the room tonight. Staring at the screen, looking for a light. Netflix rolling, but my mind is far underneath the bright and glowing star. The moon is full, it's shining clear, reminding me of when you were near. Flashbacks of the clubs where we used to dance. Every memory feels like a trance. Dinners out and those late night views. Run through the park, just me and you. Now the bed is cold, the night is long. Trying to stay brave, trying to stay strong. I can't sleep thinking of you. Listen, the war will end, the storm will pass. You are coming back to where you belong.